I just wanted to go through and give you a little update about what we're doing. Please disregard the super fashionable back brace today. I threw out my back this morning from sneezing too hard, because that's what happens when you get into your 30s. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking on our entryway and our stairs, because it's kind of a death trap right now. Let me explain. You may remember when we first moved in, we changed out some of the gross, icky carpet into this really nice engineered hickory hardwood floor to match the existing hickory floors that were already here. We chose not to have them do the stairs because it was gonna cost like an additional $10,000, which is just insane. So we decided we would do it ourselves. You may also recall that I put carpet down on these stairs and these stairs. There were a bunch of nails sticking out of it, and frankly, it was sketchy. I wasn't a fan. This is just safety precaution. Now, when we put in these floors, they obviously had to take out the railing and the balusters. This has been our makeshift solution. Just a baby gate railing, super safe. Don't lean on it too hard. The existing balusters also have this lovely accent chew spots from the previous owner's dogs. It just looks really classy. They also did just a fabulous job cutting the drywall, as you can see. So we'll be covering that up. Now, my original plan was to just refurbish the stairs and reuse the treads and the risers, but this is actually poplar wood, which is super soft. It's not great for stair treads. So what I did is I ordered some hickory stair treads that should match the flooring that we have. And I'm hoping that they're gonna look great. However, I am gonna try to salvage and repair the risers, just patch them up and paint them, as a way to save a little bit of moolah. The other not so great thing about these balusters is that they are super not up to code. And I'll show you what I mean. You should not be able to do this. You should not be able to stick your full head and like half of your body through the balusters. It's supposed to be, I think, I forget if it's like 3 or 4 inch sphere between the balusters, and that's so that a baby's head can't fit through it and they don't just fall to their death. So yeah, these need to go. I'm also going to decapitate the knoll posts, sand them down, and hopefully use them for my new railing. Fingers crossed it works. I had originally planned to demo all of the stairs this weekend, but we've hit a bit of a snag. The balusters came in, the baluster screws came in, so I have what I need for the railing, but the treads are behind schedule. They're supposed to ship next week, but I'm not really entirely sure. So instead of doing the stairs this weekend, which, come on, frankly, is probably for the best, I have a different plan for this weekend. Now, I have never done a project of this scale before. I've never messed with stairs. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but I'm hoping that University of YouTube is gonna save the day. Anyways, that's the update. Okay, bye. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along on this new project series.